Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Rashmi and today I'm here with you to talk about a wonderful ingredient, retinoid. Now let's talk about what is retinoid, what does it do, and what are the several benefits offered by retinoid. Now this is a powerful punch in skincare and it is a magical ingredient which can take away of your fine lines and wrinkles. So what are the benefits of retinol? Retinol is a beautiful ingredient. It works best by increasing the cell turnover, unclogging the pores and increasing collagen production. So basically you can say goodbye to all your wrinkles and just start to use retinol. What are the type of retinol products? Retinol products are available in different preparations ranging from serums to creams to lotion. There can be prescription strength retinol or OTC retinol. Now which one is the best way to start depends upon your dermatologist and your skin condition, and do get in touch with the dermatologist to navigate into the world of retinol. How does retinol works? Are you curious about knowing how does it work the best? Like the mechanism of action which I have mentioned, it works best by starting to use with a frequency of 2 days per week. What are the precautions to take before starting retinoid? In my opinion, I recommend you to start using retinoid, but before using that, must go for a patch test. Now using a patch test is imperative in using retinoid. You can use a pea-size amount and apply that at the back of the ear and watch for any burning, irritation or redness. Now if you develop any burning, irritation or redness, then refrain from using. If you are not developing any side effects or any irritation, then you can start to use retinoid as advised by your dermatologist. Tips for using retinol. Now my favorite ways to use retinol would be a sandwich therapy, when I advise you to first use a moisturizer, then use a retinol and then top it up again with a moisturizer. By using this, you're actually putting the best ingredient in between, and we call it as a sandwich technique. And by applying the moisturizer, we are reducing the dryness and irritation caused by retinol, which is a commonly known side effect. What are the common side effects of retinol? Few common side effects of retinol will be irritation and redness. Now these side effects can be eliminated by starting to use the cream with a frequency of 2 days per week. As your skin has gotten adjusted to the new skincare ingredient, you can eventually increase the frequency to once daily. Retinol can be used for several indications like acne, psoriasis and photoaging. Tretinoin is used for acne. There are several other new ingredients like triferriton, which is the recent kid in the block which is used for acne. Now there are other ingredients like tazolotone, which is used in indications like psoriasis. Bexaretone and L-tretinoin is used for indications like Kaposi sarcoma and cutaneous T-cell lymphoma. Adapalene is mainly used for acne. So retinol has countless benefits. It's basically a magical ingredient in the bottle. So go and explore the benefits of retinol.